Hello, everyone. Today we delve into another set of true, false, not given questions. Now, there's something very peculiar about this particular video. In this video, at question number 10, I made a mistake and identified the wrong answer and came to know about it only towards the end when we were trying to cross-check our answers. I have allowed that part to remain in the video where I made the mistake. It will help you to understand how easy it is to overlook some important details and then get into wrong answers. Do watch the end part also, wherein we have tried to figure out why that particular question was wrong. And then at the end, we realized what a silly mistake I had made. Let's begin. Okay, let's understand how to do skim reading, or before you actually get to the questions, how to get a basic idea of what is your passage about or what is it telling you. The first thing, step number 1 is going to be read and understand the heading. It gives you a very fair idea about what to expect in the reading. So this heading says, it's almost time for the next Ripton festival. So they're talking about something called a Ripton festival, and that we get an idea that it is time for it to begin. The name of the festival is Ripton Festival. Next, this is going to be your first step. Your second step is you will read the complete first paragraph. Now, the first paragraph of any passage is going to be an introduction to the entire thing that is being discussed in the complete passage, in all the paragraphs, right? So it gives us a very fair idea about what is there in all the paragraphs in that complete write-up. Fine. Okay, let's have a very quick look at it. So as usual, the festival will be held in the last weekend of June this year on Saturday to Monday, 27th to 29th June. So as usual, which means it is quite a regular affair, right? Ever since last year's festival, the committee has been hard at work to make this year's the best ever. The theme is, okay, so here they're talking about the theme is Ripton through the ages. Scenes will be acted out showing how the town has developed since it was first established, but there's also plenty that's up to date, from the latest music to local crafts. So here they are talking about all the WH questions: what, where, when, who, how, right? So what are we talking about? We are talking about the Ripton Festival. When is it going to be held? They have given a date. What all will go on? What is the theme of it? Who all will be participating? What all will be done? All these details are given. And all of these details will be mentioned down below in the subsequent paragraphs, right? So let's have a look at it. Next paragraph, from the second paragraph onwards, you should only read maybe the first sentence or at the most the second sentence. So let's read the first sentence. Here it says, the craft fair is a regular part of the festival. Now, the first sentence is always going to be, it is known as the topic sentence, and it always tells you what this particular paragraph is going to talk about. This is a very short sentence. The craft fair is a regular part of the festival. It gives you a very fair idea about what this paragraph will talk about, what this complete paragraph will talk about. So probably it's going to talk about the craft fair. But just to be sure that nothing else more is given into it, we'll quickly go through it. So come and meet the professional artists, designers, and crafts. Okay, we'll go through it. They're still talking about the craft fair. They'll also take orders. Okay, so these people will also take orders if you want them, and this is what is given. So basically, they've just spoken about the craft fair and how it will be held, where, when, and who will be there, and what all will go on. Let's come to the next paragraph. The Saturday barbecue will start at 2 p.m. and continue until 10 p.m. with a bouncy castle for kids. So this one is going to talk about the Saturday barbecue. They have given you the details, the timings, and all those things, what all will be there. And here, see, the barbecue will be held in Palmer's Field, and more details about the barbecue, right? Then coming down to this one, on Sunday, we are delighted to introduce an afternoon of boat races. This is going to be done on Sunday, right? And who is going to arrange it? Ripton Rowing Club, and so on. So here they are going to talk about the Sunday plan. And the last part, the conclusion says, all money raised by the festival will go to support the sports club in Ripton. So that's about how you're going to do this, your skim reading, before you start with the questions. This ideally should take you approximately not more than, I think, 4 to 5 minutes. Let's keep this at 5 minutes. So in around 5 minutes, you should complete this. Then let's look at the questions. These are true, false, not given questions, right? The festival is held every year. Is it held every year? Let's go back. Okay, so as usual, the festival will be held in the last weekend of June this year on Saturday. So this sentence suggests that yes, it is held every year. So this answer should be true. Now, this year's festival focuses on the town's history. What is it focusing on? Okay, here, see. The theme is written through the ages, right? Scenes will be acted out showing how the town has developed since it was first established. So yes, this is also true. Let's look at the third one. Goods displayed in the craft fair are unlike ones found in shops. So here we are talking about what? The craft fair. Now we know that there is one paragraph completely about craft fair and this one. So does it say that the goods that are displayed over here are not like the regular ones found in the markets? Let's read. So now how has this helped us? By skim reading, when we went to the question, so goods displayed in the craft fair are unlike ones found in shops. Now, I know for sure, after reading this question, I know that yes, there is a paragraph which talks about the craft fair. So I can go to my passage and quickly go to the paragraph which is talking about craft fair. So this is exactly how your skimming is going to help you. So that 5 minutes that you invested in skim reading is going to help you in this way. Fine, let's go and find the answer. So the craft fair is a regular part of this. Come and meet the professionals. Here they are talking about the professionals who will display their jewelry, paintings. Okay, they'll also take orders. So if you want them to make something special for you, you'll get it within a month. Okay, so this basically, I think this ideally should be a not given answer. So no, it is not found anywhere in that. So it should be a not given answer. The barbecue will be cancelled if it rains. Has this been mentioned? We don't know. So here we know that we need to go to the paragraph which talks about the barbecue. But this says it will be cancelled if it rains. We haven't read that because we didn't read the complete paragraph. Let's go and check it out. So here is my barbecue paragraph. With a bouncy scale, the barbecue will be held over here. Okay, book your tickets now, as always. Okay, entry for under 16s. Okay, adults can come. Okay, there'll be live music throughout with amateur bands. Okay, no, so nothing about the rains has been mentioned. So this is not given. Why is this a not given answer? Because nothing has been mentioned about the rains. They are talking about the barbecue, but nothing has been mentioned about the rains. Least of all, that it will be cancelled if it rains, right? Okay, next question. Question number 11. Adults can attend a barbecue at any time without charge. So here we are talking about adults who can attend without any charge. Let's see. Entry for under 16s is free all day. Adults can come for free until 6 p.m. and pay £5 after that. So the question says, adults can attend the barbecue at any time without charge. No, this is false. They can come up to 6 p.m. and after that they have to pay a charge for it. So this would be false. Question number 12. Amateur musicians will perform during the whole of the barbecue. So we are talking about two amateur musicians during the whole of the barbecue. Again, we need to go to the barbecue paragraph. Okay, here they are talking about the live music. See, so there'll be live music throughout with local amateur bands in the afternoon and professional musicians in the evening. So my question says, amateur musicians will perform during the whole of the barbecue. No, this is false. They will perform at a certain time and another time professionals will come in. Okay. Question number 13. Seating is available for watching the boat races. Now we know that we need to go to the paragraph which talks about the boat races. So where is the boat race? Here. So here the first sentence tells when it is happening and where it is happening. So the spectator area by the bridge has plenty of room to stand and cheer the boats home, in addition to a number of benches. The winners of the races will be presented with trophies by the mayor of Ripton. Let's see what the question says. Seating is available for watching the boat races. Is it available? Yes, I think it does say. So the spectator area by the bridge has plenty of room to stand and cheer. The boat's home, in addition to a number of benches. So seating is available for watching the boat races. So ideally, this should be true. And then 14th is people attending the festival will be asked to donate some money. Has it been given there? No. The winners of the races will be presented with trophies. All money raised by the festival will go to support. Okay, so no, this would be a not given answer. Okay, let's have a look at the answers. So this is true, true, not given. Here are our answers. Okay, here are our answers. True, true, not given, false. True, true, not given, not given. Okay, we did this one. Fine. So this says it is not given, not given. This is correct. This one went wrong. Question number 10 went wrong for us. The barbecue will be cancelled if it rains. Why does it say if it rains? We'll start with the bouncy castle for kids. The barbecue will be held in Palmer's Field or in the town hall if it... Okay, here. Sorry, we missed out on this one, huh? No. Yes, here is the answer. So the barbecue will be held in Palmer's Field or in the town hall if it rains. So it will not be cancelled. So that's my bad. I did not read that out. See how easy it is for us to get misled or, miss out on important information. And then that's how we get wrong answers. And anyone can do it, right? Okay, so the barbecue will be cancelled if it rains? No, it will not be cancelled. According to this sentence, it says the barbecue will be held in Farmer's Field or in the town hall if it rains, right? So yes, this needs to be a false answer. Why is it false? Because no, it will not be cancelled. It will still be held, but the venue will change. Okay, then question number 11 and 12 are 11 and 12 are false, so we got that right. And then 13 and 14 are true and not given. So true and not given. Yes. So except for that one mistake that we made over here for question number 10, just because we missed out on one important sentence. That's how we got it wrong, right? So you see, it is not difficult. True, false, not given are not really difficult. It's just that you have to pay attention. Do it slowly, one by one. Try to analyze your wrong answers. It is important that you analyze your wrong answers so that you understand what is the mistake you made. Now, when you start analyzing your wrong answers, every time you will realize that a pattern might emerge, like for example, you might just figure out that, okay, this particular question type, true, false, not given, or match headings questions, or whatever. These are the type of questions wherein most of my answers go wrong. Another thing could be particular words. Okay, they could be like, your linking words or maybe any particular word that whenever you come across that word, your answer goes wrong. So this is how we are able to identify our weaknesses. And once the weaknesses have been identified, we are able to work over them, right? So that's it for today. We'll go ahead and do another true, false, not given in the next session.